Here's a quick sneak preview of Google Keep, but first, if you want to get in, if you want to be involved, if you want to join the community, come over here to appasaurus.envisionconnect.com. We have a great little community going here. You can sign up, set up your profile. You can communicate, participate in the discussions with us. We have forums that you can join where, of course, we'll be discussing the apps that we're reviewing, letting you know what we think, why we think it, and so on and so forth. It's a great little community. Stacy and I have been up quite a few late nights recently working on this and just kind of obsessing with it because we love the way this whole community works. It's nice and clean. You can post your blogs, and again, you can join the forums and get involved in our conversation. So, a word on Google Keep. Google Keep is a note-taking application. I actually discovered this doing a Google search, funny enough, to look up to-do list applications just to see what was out there. And I stumbled on this, and it struck me because I'd never heard of it before. As you can see, Stacy and I have been playing around with this a bit. And I'm not going to express any opinions because you have to come to the review for that. But I'll show you how it works real quick. Obviously, you see I just clicked Add a Note, and I can add a note. I can start typing. Hi, kids. I can set a reminder. I can share it. I can change the color. I can add a photo. I can archive it. And the other thing is, for organizational purposes, I can add a label. So I can organize this based on certain labels. I can check off multiple labels, and that way I can access it over here in this list of notes and labels, of course. So this is basically how it works. Not rocket science, not real complicated. If I say done, I can click here and just default to a checklist type note. If I need to do a grocery list or whatever I need to do. Maybe it's a short to-do list of what needs to be done today. Whatever it is, this is how you can do stuff like that. There's a few other things, a few other options here with regard to the notes. I can, of course, delete it, make a copy, hide checkboxes, and then I can get into list settings here. So I can say add new list items at the top or the bottom, stay in place, move to the bottom. So that's in a nutshell what Google Keep is and how it works. You're going to see our review of it if you join with us tomorrow. Again, sign up at appasaurus.envisionconnect.com. Links will be posted wherever you happen to be watching this. Or if you want the one-off, check the link for our Eventbrite event where you can register for just the one webinar and see what you think. Obviously, the better value is going to be here if you join us. You have either a monthly or an annual membership. And as I mentioned, you can participate in our community. We have blogs. We have the forums. Anything you need in terms of discussing these applications and whether or not and how they're going to work for you or your business, that's what you have access to by joining this community and hanging out with us online. I look forward to seeing you there.